Today we're gonna be heading to CarMax and looking at some trucks. So yesterday I decided to paint the front wheels black, and I personally, I'm not a fan of black wheels because they're hard to see, they're harder to look at in pictures, and when it's dark out you can't really see them. But for the sake of the color scheme that I have going on here, it works a lot better and it helps the orange pop. So I painted them black and I think it looks pretty good. All right, so finally here. Sierra. I guess we'll check out the Silverado. What year is this? This is 2015. I definitely wanted a newer one, but not bad. I really just need something to tow. Like, as long as it can tow pretty decently, then I'll be fine. I was about to get in, but it's hot in here. Decent bit of space. I always kind of wonder, like, how much space it will be once you pull the seats up and stuff. That's not bad. Ugh. That's not bad. Decent bit of space. You could chill in here, take a nap. Probably not take a nap, but decent amount of space. And then I think this one is smaller than the new ones, because the newer ones look a lot bigger. But extra seat up here. And that's pretty much it. I like it. It sits up pretty high. And this one is 28,000, 2015, 79,000 miles. And then they have a Sierra. I think these are a little bit bigger than the Silverado. Not really that much bigger. Or actually, they're probably about the same size. I don't like leather seats though. That's one thing I'm not a fan of. Even though the Corvette has leather seats, I still don't really like them that much. And this one's a 2015, 64,000 miles and same price. So it's not bad price-wise for single cab. Useless. Colorado. The Colorados are nice, but they're just too small. I think this one's a V6. Yeah, they can't tow. They can't tow as much as I would like. And then we got the 61,000. Got a Ram 2500. And this can definitely tow. This is like complete full size Yeah, this is like a complete full-size truck. It's big. Ooh. This is kind of what I want, but not a Ram. Yeah. This one's pretty new. Another Ram, 1500. I don't want a Ram. I really kind of wanted a Tundra or a Silverado. So I would want a Tacoma if they were bigger. Like if Tacomas were a full-size truck, I think they look the best and they would be one of the best, but they're not a full-size truck. So that's why I was leaning towards the Tundra too. And is that it? I think that's it for trucks. They do not have a lot of trucks. So might go to another CarMax that has more trucks, because I kind of wanted to sit and I want to see one of the newer Tundras and the newer Silverados. So we'll see. And this is the Silverado that I really want right here. Looks nice. So we're here at another CarMax, and they have a lot more trucks. We got some Fords down there, Colorado, Silverados, Rams, a couple Nissans, Toyota, and yeah. So we'll check out a few over here. I think the Silverados are down here. First one here. It's about the same year, 2017. 33,000, yeah. This one's pretty much the same as the last one, the 2015. About the same. Here's a Tundra. What year is it? I don't have a sticker on it, but it seems like some special edition. 1794 edition. Okay. I'm not really a fan of leather seats. It's hot. Everything's hot in here, but it's wide. That's one thing I like about the Tundras. Oh, we got a little bit of suede or Alcantara, whatever this is. That's pretty nice. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I like how wide these are. I feel like the Tundras are some of the widest. Let's see if I can flip this up. Yeah, I feel like the Tundras are some of the widest trucks that they have to offer. So, good amount of space back here. Storing stuff. That's nice to know. Nice to know that you got some space. And the bed. Bed is pretty deep. I feel like it's deeper. I think it's deeper than the Silverado. Maybe by a little bit. They're about the same. But I don't know, it just looks wider too. I can't explain. But oh, there's a sticker.
2015.
Is it on the ends? Oh, 36,000 is 2015. Can't see it at all. Another Silverado. Looks like the same thing. Yeah. The Tundra just feels a lot wider on the inside and the bed. Silverado sits a little bit higher, but I don't know which one I want. Silverados look a little bit better, but I just like the wideness of the Tundras and the reliability. The reliability on the Tundras, can't beat that. Not really interested in any Rams. Definitely not a Nissan. Although I've never really checked any of these out. It's a Titan or something. Yeah, Titan, a newer one. 47,000 for 2021 with 21,000 miles on it. Oh, it's nice in here. It is newer than the other ones, so I'm pretty sure the 2021 Silverados and 2021 Tundras are nicer too. Not bad, but I wouldn't get one. This one's 37,000 for 2019, 1,500, 25,000 miles, same thing. This one is a bit newer, I think. Yeah, 2021 for 38,000. How many miles on it? 18,000 miles. That's a good deal. Silverado looks a lot better than that one. A little bit bigger than that one. But it's not the full size. I don't think it's the crew cab. This is the extended cab, I think. I don't know what they call them. Yeah, I think it's like an extended cab or something like that. Okay, and then this one is like the full size crew cab. And it's 43,000, 59,000 miles, 2019. Yeah, it's a lot nicer. Oh. Center console. It's wide. Nice back seat. Leather seats, but not too bad. I think I could deal with it. But yeah, this is probably the ideal truck. Or a newer Tundra. I'm not sure. Either this or the Tundra. And this, what is this? This thing is huge. Definitely out of the budget and a bit overkill for what I need, but 2020, 78,000. Oh, we got the automatic step. That's nice. Oh, Super Duty. I've always wondered what these were like inside. It's nice. And another Tundra. This color. That's nice. That's nice.
Is this the one that we saw the last one?
I think that one was over here.
No, that had the interior inside or something. It's over there?
Yeah, that's that one.
I thought we saw that the last one.
No, that's this one. $56,000, 2021. 15,000 miles. Not bad. Ugh. Platinum. I guess. I think this one is a higher trim like that other one. Got the platinum. I like the Tundras. They're so wide. Not much of a bed, it feels like. Well, it's not too long. It's like maybe 6 foot. 5.5, almost 6 feet maybe. But back here, that's a lot of space. Like, it's an actual back seat. Like, it's enough space to sit back and relax. We've been sitting here for a little while. This is the nicest one so far. Spacious, especially in the back. This is nice. 56,000. I know it can tow, so that's one of the biggest things I'm worried about.
And we get to set our seats. You can have your setting, I can have my setting.
And the steering wheel has the middle piece that you can rest your hand on when you're driving. I wonder how far back the front seats go. I like these little steps. Let me see. Are they electric? Are they on? Okay. That's as far as it goes. That's not really far.
To see all the way back.
Not too bad. Oh, it actually is kind of far from the pedals. I'll probably be driving like this.
Comfortable?
Nice armrest. Spacious. Maybe could sit in there. Sunroof. All right, I'll take this one. Let's tell them. I wish. Soon. Soon. Is that the new Tundra? Oh, they got a new Tundra.
I feel about this color.
Yeah, the color is nice.
Yeah.
It's different. But they got the new Tundra. Now this is the one I really want. This might be the one. This might be the one right here. It's like a 2022, 23 maybe. So in the next couple of years, 2022. Yeah, in the next couple of years, this could be it.
These same insides.
Huh?
This one we saw with the same insides.
No, the other one was older.
But it had a different color on the outside too. It had like that brown color.
Yeah, it was like the same color scheme, I guess.
This is nice.
Yeah, it has that. The other one was a 2015. This one's 2022. Let me see if it's still spacious in the back. Oh. Yep. Still spacious. Big screen. I want to drive it. I want to drive it. What? Oh, you got like a sky roof or a panoramic roof?
I like that.
You know, I'm not really a fan of sunroofs. It's hot. Oh, it's probably electric.
Yeah.
2022. It's too hot for that. The sun, look at the sun. That's why it's so hot in here. Yeah, we're gonna have to get 5% on that. But it sits up pretty high. Sits up pretty good.
How much is that AC?
63,000. I like it.
Oh, really?
Are those lights?
No foot thing?
Oh no. See, it's the 1794 edition.
These seats is hot, boy.
That's what it is. The 1794 editions are this brown leather.
I can see myself dropping.
Don't hit nobody. I like the Tundras. I think we're gonna go with a Tundra. I mean, I didn't get to sit in the new Silverado, but I like the Tundras. They got a Raptor 2011. I didn't know they made these back in 2011. But these are nice. Ugh. Oh, it's hot. We might have to grab a Jeep. I think this one is the... Which one is the SRT? They look different. This one's a 2020 Jeep Limited X. This one... Probably the same. High altitude. They both look pretty good. They look a little sporty. Thought they were SRTs, but they're not. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Got to look at all the trucks.
I kinda like this color.
And overall, the best truck for me was the 2022 Tundra. So I'm gonna go up to the front and tell them I need that one now. I want to test drive one, but I don't feel like doing all that paperwork and trying to go through whatever they got to go through to get a test drive. And I know I'm not buying it right now, so we'll test drive it later. But yeah, that one right there.